Hi, I am Sushant and I welcome you all in this training module on personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment or PPE refers to gear designed to protect workers from hazards. It shields against physical risk such as falling objects, chemical spills, biological threats like pathogens and ergonomic challenges like repetitive strain. Employers have a responsibility to provide appropriate PPE, train employees on its use and ensure damaged equipment is replaced. Now, personal protective equipment on head and foot protection. Let us now take a closer look at various categories of personal protective equipment along with the Indian standards that ensure their reliability. We begin with head protection. The head is one of the most vulnerable parts of the body in almost every industry. Falling objects, accidental bumps, or impact with machinery can cause serious or even fatal injuries. IS 11207 specifies helmets for mountaineers, protecting them from debris and falls. IS 2745 defines metal helmets for firemen and civil defense personnel, designed to withstand extreme heat and impact. IS 9562 covers non-metallic helmets for police, particularly useful during ride control. IS 20925 is the standard for industrial safety for helmets, widely used in factories and construction sites, and IS 4151 provides safety criteria for motorcycle riders. Each of these standards reflects the specific risk faced by different occupations. Moving on to eye and ear face protection. The eyes are especially delicate and even a small particle can cause severe injury. IS 8521 specifies a protective gear against dust, molten metals, optical radiation and chemicals. For hearing, IS 9167 provides guidance on earplugs and ear muffs because prolonged exposure to high decibel noises cause irreversible hearing loss. For respiratory protection, various standards exist to meet different workplace needs. IS 9473 covers filtering half mask against dust and aerosols. IS 14166 specifies full face mask offering wider coverage. IS 14746 addresses half and quarter mask for environments with toxic gases. IS 15803 details closed circuit self rescue devices crucial for miners escaping irrespirable atmosphere. And the IS 10245 series covers advanced breathing apparatus, enabling workers to remain in hazardous atmospheres for extended periods, essential in mines, oil refineries and fire brigades. Body protection is next. IS 15748 specifies flame resistant clothing. IS 16890 defines firefighter suits, while IS 16655 prescribes clothing for welders exposed to sparks and molten splashes. For visibility in low light conditions, IS 15809 specifies high visibility clothing. Specialized work wear such as IS 18849 for cement workers addresses dust and chemical exposure unique to that industry. For work at heights, the IS 3521 series covers personal fall arrest system. These include full body harness, lanyards with energy absorbers, self-retracting lifelines, anchor devices and descending devices. Each plays a role in preventing fatalities from falls. These systems prevent fatal injuries by safely stopping a worker's fall, limiting impact forces and enabling rescue. Essential in construction, maintenance and confined spaces, they form a critical last line of defense against fall hazards. Finally, foot and leg protection. Heavy equipment, sharp objects, hot materials and chemicals pose constant threat to feet. IS 15298 defines general safety footwear, while IS 1989 specifies boot for miners and heavy industries. Gum boots under IS 15557 are essential for wet environments. IS 12254 defines PVC industrial boots and IS 3976 specifies canvas safety boots for miners. Every piece of PPE is a barrier between worker and danger. When worn properly and maintained regularly, PPE reduces the risk of workplace injuries dramatically. As we have already covered personal protective equipment, now in the next session we will cover the guide for selection of personal protective equipment.